I started doing my piston installs, and then I needed a vise to hold the rods in place while I took the caps off of a couple of them. Weird story, but anyways, I stopped doing that. I started doing the timing chain install. So here, this is a harmonic balancer installer that I picked up at O'Reilly's. I'm not sure if it'll show. There's the part number, and then this is just a piece of pipe that I had that fits over top of the crankshaft. I think you can see it in there, but basically I'm gonna crank down on this while holding this still, and then this nut's gonna push this timing gear on. So pretty easy install with that. Pulled the other one off, and that one had the tooth out of it. I thought I was gonna reuse this, but apparently not. So got a new one, and I'll be throwing that on now. Alright, just like that, I got it on. See, it's pressed tight up against the back side of the crank there, so I know that. Now that I have the timing key on, which by the way, on the timing key here, so this round end here, that's the stock. I want to say the triangle is 40 degrees advanced, and the square there is 4 degrees retarded on the timing, on the camshaft timing. So I use the round one to go stock. To start with, at least, I'll use the round dot, and yeah, we'll go from there. Now, I got my other key I'll put back in the hole so that I can get my turner tool back in there, and then I can turn the engine over so I can put more pistons back in. So I'll get that finished up and we'll go from there. I got some new camshaft bolts. I'm going to put those in with Loctite. Obviously need to get my chain back on and lined up to where it was at, which I already calculated, which is my circle to circle using the stock setting. That came out right. So put the chain on with the new bolts now and Loctite them in. All right, I torqued down my cam bolts now. These were ARP cam bolts, and they called for 25 foot-pounds. So that's what I used. So always check the manufacturer spec on that. I'm going to now spin over my crank a couple times or just once, I guess, or twice, just to confirm that I am in fact correct there on my alignment. And if I have that, then the camshaft is in.